So this right here is the Maono Wave T5 AI wireless microphone kit, and let me tell you, this little wireless microphone kit right here has been great. It takes care of everything that I needed to. It offers everything that I need in a wireless microphone kit. Not only does it work for my camera, but it also works for my smartphone as well. So I'll go and set that over there. Over here to my right is the actual little kit itself, and it comes with this nice little carrying case right there. Look at that, nice, compact, lightweight. It's not gonna get in the way when traveling. This is actually really great when traveling. You can take it anywhere with you without it getting in the way or taking up too much space. But check this out. In this actual kit itself, it comes with a nice little portable charging bank right here, which is going to hold 2 microphones and a wireless receiver. And as you can see, I am missing a microphone and the receiver. That's because I'm actually using the microphone right now. So everything that you are hearing is all being recorded with one of the Maono Wave T5 wireless microphones. And then I got the receiver on my camera itself. Now the receiver itself, it does have the option to be able to control the gain, which is great. It gives you 3 different levels and it has little lights right there to let you know what level you are at. It also has little lights to let you know what microphone you're using and to let you know if the microphone is in noise canceling mode, because yes, these do have a noise canceling mode or regular mode. And then you got the jack input to be able to connect the receiver to your camera itself. It's got a USB Type-C input as well. And you also have your power button as well. And on the microphone itself, it's nice because I don't actually have to go into the compatible app to be able to turn on noise canceling or to put it on mute. It's got 2 separate buttons on the microphone itself. So let me go ahead and take this one out here. And if you press the button on one of the microphones, it will automatically put both of them into that certain mode. So for instance, if I want to turn on noise canceling mode, I can click it on this microphone and it will automatically turn on noise canceling on the microphone I'm actually using as well. So it's so easy because you can do it at the press of a button and the light will turn green to let you know that you are in noise canceling mode. If I press it again, the light will turn blue and now I am in normal mode. And then not only that, but you can mute the microphones straight on the microphone itself. And it is as easy as that. And oh, you don't even have to look at the microphone to see what you're doing. You just feel for the buttons. The bottom button is always going to be able to, have you switch up those modes, and the top button will be that mute button. So it's nice that it comes with 2 because, a lot of times I know there's creators out there who like to interview other creators or have another creator in their videos. So it's nice that both people will be able to be mic'd up. Or if you like to have more of a stereo sound, these do have the option to record in stereo as well, which is also an option on the receiver itself. For the camera, you can switch these microphones up to stereo mode or mono mode. So right now I am using mono mode, and it's nice that they make everything just so simple to be able to switch up different modes just straight on the receiver or the microphones themselves. Now also in this little kit right here, we get a receiver for USB Type-C devices and also one with a lightning input as well. So if you have some of the older iPhones with the lightning port, you got an option to use that as well. You have the wind covers as well. So if you're outside, it's a bit windy out there, maybe a bit breezy, you can throw one of these on the microphone to block out some of that wind. And then you got a USB Type-C cable as well. And like I said, this is nice, this little case right here. You can take it with you anywhere. Now, what do you think about the quality so far? Let me know. Like I said, I have been using the microphone this entire time in a regular mode. It's a little bit echoey here in the office, so you probably will hear a little bit of that. But what do you think? In my opinion, I think when it comes to just overall sound quality with this microphone right here, I think it actually sounds pretty good. And what I really like is how small it is, because you can put it anywhere. It's not really noticeable. It's not like one of those big square microphones that can maybe sometimes get in the way or they're just an eyesore. It's just this little tiny circle, and that's it. And it's all black as well. So, it will blend in with dark colored clothing as well. Or even if you're wearing a light colored clothing, it's not going to pop out so much because of how small it is. Also, let me pull out this other one real quick. It's magnetic. So that is how I have it on my shirt. I got the metal piece inside the shirt with the microphone on the outside, and it sticks magnetically. You can also stick it to other metal objects magnetically or through pretty much any other type of clothing. And the magnet is actually pretty strong. And in the box, it also comes with like this little necklace that you can magnetically attach it to as well. So you always have it on you. You don't have to worry about losing it. So the fact that this is so small, it is just a nice convenient feature. And yes, it is very comparable to the Hollyland Lark M2 microphone. As you can see right here, this pretty much has the same design, and the quality on these is actually really good as well. I love the quality here on the Hollyland Lark M2 microphones. But I will say, when it does come to app compatibility, when it comes to the Maono Wave T5 wireless microphones right here, there is a bit more customization when it comes to customizing it through the app. Okay, now in order to be able to use the Maono app right here, you are going to have to connect the receiver to your device, and this will allow you to edit up your microphones and customize it. So it's gonna let me know what microphone I am currently customizing. I can be able to customize the gain. We got different noise reduction settings. We got slight, moderate, strong, and custom. We also have sound coloration, which is going to give you the option of video enhancer, warmth, brightness, or huskiness. We also have phone speaker output, which is nice because say you go and record a video using the microphones, you want to go back and play that video just to see what it sounds like, see how the video looks. You actually do not have to unplug the receiver in order to hear what's going on in your video, because I know that happens with some other devices that you may have hooked up to your device through the USB-C input. It will not play sound. So this, having that option on, will allow you to play the sound. You can also switch up the channel from mono to stereo, and then you have your help support as well, and it will also give you the battery life level as well. So as you can see, some pretty nice customization options within the Maono app itself. You can be able to switch up a lot of things when it comes to these microphones. But you've gotten to hear quite a bit of microphone testing here in the office itself. Let's go ahead and go outside. We'll do a little outside test to see what it sounds like outside, and we'll also do a distance test as well. All right, so I've made my way outside. Testing, 1, 2, 3. How do you think it sounds out here? I don't have it in noise canceling mode because it's not really too windy out here or anything. There's a slight breeze, but it's actually not too bad. So what do you think about the overall quality? Let's go ahead and get some distance in here. Now I'm gonna keep facing the receiver for a little bit here because I know once I turn my back, it's probably going to block the reception, I guess, if that's what you want to call it, and the microphone will probably start to cut out here and there. Here, let's try. Let me turn around real quick. Test, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. What do you think? Did it cut it out? Now I am here in a huge field. It's like a huge soccer field, and I'm not, I don't have a measuring tape to, measure the distance properly or anything like that, but I really can't see anybody being this far away from the camera to record. I mean, I am already super far away from the camera there, so I'm not even sure if you guys can still hear me or not, but I'll keep walking. Let me go ahead and turn around again. Right behind the big tree, but I am pretty far. Test. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. I'll probably make it just to the end of the field over here, and we'll see if this could be a good distance. Now I do have some trees in front of me now, so it might be blocking the signal, but we'll see when I go back and watch the video. Test. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Testing. I am super far from the camera, you guys, like really far from the camera. So I've made it to this big tree over here. Not sure if you guys can even see it on camera, but I am super far. So I guess I will go ahead and just count my steps back. Obviously it won't be proper footage, but I'll go ahead and count the steps back. Got an airplane flying up there. Let me know if you guys can hear that, but here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 73, 74, 75, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. So about 120 steps away. And I was taking some pretty, good lengthy steps. So that's about what, 2 feet per step, maybe. But what do you guys think? Again, this was an outside distance test. And I'm gonna have to go back and watch it just to see if it did cut out at all during that whole time. But I walked a super far long distance away. But let me know down in the comments what you guys think. Okay, so now I'm just doing a quick recording here on my smartphone so you can see what it's going to sound like if you do decide to use the smartphone module and just record with your smartphone rather than a camera. Now, it shouldn't sound too different. It should pretty much sound the same, but of course, you know, depending on what smartphone you have, it could change up the sound a little bit. So this is just to give you an idea of what it would sound like if you do use your smartphone to record. Testing, 1, 2, 3. Let me go and turn on the noise canceling to see if that makes a difference here. Let's see, there we go. So now this is with noise canceling turned on, using that AI to block out the background sounds. The breeze has picked up just a little bit here. So what do you think again? Testing, 1, 2, 3. This is with noise canceling on, and this is with noise canceling off. Let me know what you think down in the comments. Now, when it comes to battery life with these wireless microphones, honestly, I haven't really just sat here and counted down the hours to see how long it takes to get these microphones to die down before I have to charge them again. But I will say that battery life is actually very, very good. I mean, I haven't had any times where I felt the need to, oh, I gotta hurry up and throw this on the charger because it's gonna die on me. I mean, that's the nice thing about having that portable charger that it comes with, because it's constantly charging the microphones within this little portable charger itself, this little charging station. And there are also lights in the front to let you know how much charge this has left. So if it gets down to about 2 or maybe even 1, then I'll throw it on the charger. But I mean, most of the time, I mean, this gives me more than enough charge before I have to make sure this case is charged itself. So battery life is actually really good. I'm able to get through a full recording session and then some. I'm able to get to like multiple recording sessions before even having to charge up these microphones. So battery life, very, very good. But what do y'all think? The Maono Wave T5 wireless microphone kit. If you find yourself interested, I have a link down in the description below. If you did like this video and find it helpful, make sure to give it a huge thumbs up. Huge thanks to Maono for actually sending out this kit for us to take a look at here on the channel. I have been loving this wireless microphone kit. It is my go-to right now. But again, leave your thoughts down in the comment sections below. Thanks for watching. This is Josh Quinones. I will see you on the next one. Peace out.